Good morning, everyone. I'm Benjamin Valencia, and for my experiment, I created slime. Slime is a polymer. A polymer is a substance that has a molecular structure made of a lot of similar units bonded together. For my slime, I used glue as a substance and borax as the activator. The borax bonds the similar units in the glue to give it the slime-like consistency. For my experiment, I used 1/4 teaspoon of borax. I used half a cup of Elmer's glue, 1 cup of water, and food coloring. My hypothesis going into this experiment was that the slime would be more liquidy and have a hard time holding its shape. So to start off my experiment, I poured half a cup of water into a bowl. I poured 1/4 teaspoon of borax into half a cup of water. I then poured half a cup of glue into the bowl of water. I then used a spoon to mix and dissolve the borax in the water. I then put my hands in the bowl and started mixing the glue and borax solution. I realized around here that the borax wasn't making the glue unsticky, and it started to stick to my hands. To resolve my issue, I added more borax to make the slime less sticky. As you can see, the borax worked and the slime begins to come off my fingers. At the end of my experiment, I added green food coloring and put it in a Tupperware container. To conclude my experiment, I found out that my hypothesis was wrong. The slime was more solid and became liquid over time.